Hello everybody, today we'll be learning how to reset the root password. Now to do that, we need to make sure that the countdown stops by pressing the up and down arrow, and we press E on the CentOS Linux core. We take the option back to the top, and we press E on the keyboard to make sure that we edit the boot options. And to do that, we'll just press E on the keyboard and go from there. Okay, so once that's done, all we need to do is to look for the line for the kernel, which usually starts with Linux 16 in CentOS 7, and we go to the RO part of it and change that to RW, which is read write. And what are we read writing? We are read writing, and I'm going to type in init equals to sysroot slash bin slash sh. With that done, the next thing for us to do is to press Ctrl X to start the machine as we see in the options. Now that will take us into single user mode, and once that appears, we can then do a change root to /sysroot. With that done, the next thing for us to do is to actually change the password by typing passwd and pressing enter. This will change the root password, and we specify whatever root password we want to change it to, and then retype that password again. And once that's done, the next step is for us to touch a file called auto relabel, and touch would create a file like we all know. And the reason why we're creating the auto relabel is, and by the way, the auto relabel is going to be a hidden file, so it will be in the root directory. It will be /auto relabel, and this would help the computer, or force the computer to relabel all the important files that boot up the computer. And once that's done, we do an exit, and then we reboot the machine forcefully by specifying the option F, and the computer reboots, and then you start to see somewhere right about now that it's about to do the auto relabeling. You would see that a few lines to the end of the screen where it says that it's going to be doing relabeling, and this could take some time. Okay, so we'll wait for it to do the relabeling, pause the recording, and then when the relabeling is done, we'll come back and then complete from there. Once the relabeling completes, then the computer will restart again, and yeah, so the computer restarts again normally. Okay, so once the computer boots up normally, we can go to the non-listed option to specify the root user, and then we can specify the new password that we just created, and from there we see that the computer uh, logs on and our job here is done. So basically this is how to reset the root password for your computer or for your CentOS.